The first thing we do for Christmas is we go to my grandma's house. After that, I say hi to everyone and watch TV. I play video games. When dinner is ready, we sit down and eat Christmas dinner. Every year we have meatballs, ham, potatoes, corn, stuffing, and jello, and cranberries. After dinner, I play more video games and we take pictures as a family. At the end of the night, we open presents and show what we got. Then we go home. As a family, our tradition is to open one gift on Christmas Eve before we go to bed. Afterwards, I go to sleep and I make sure to wake up before anyone else gets up. And I empty out my stocking and I open my stocking gifts. When everyone else wakes up, we start opening our Christmas presents. This year I got socks, candy, Bop It, Cars 2, the video game Clothes, Furby, Jimmy Pillow, Nickelodeon Gak, and the Lorax Moving.